Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to request car seats on Lyft. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Lyft application on my phone and this is how it will look like once you open the application. Firstly, you're gonna find this message saying update location services. Lyft needs your exact location to find nearby rides. You can either turn on the precise location or you can enter a pickup location. So I'm going to click pickup location, add a pickup location, and then from here, for example, I'm going to type Los Angeles and then choose from the list right here. And in destination, for example, I'm going to choose this place and then click on done. So once you do that, go ahead and click on set destination. Then click on set pickup. And after that, you will find this list right here that includes a lot of choices. So as you can see, guys, this is the left option. It includes only 4 seats. And from here, you can either choose pickup in 3 minutes or 1 minute. There is also extra comfort. There is the Lyft XL, which can carry 6 passengers. And there is also the luxury options like Lux Black and Lux Black XL. That includes also 6 seats. So you can choose any option that you like, click on it, and then click on select in the bottom. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.